Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com, and it's Tuesday, the 4th of June. These are the charts of the day. Well, big day on Wall Street, to say the least. The market had a rip-roaring session, and a lot of stocks ran. So it was a very difficult day to choose which stocks I wanted to highlight. And there's a few that we maybe haven't heard of, but I do want to at least show you some of the ideas and some of the trends that are in place right now. Look at that ADVN breaking out of base, consolidating here and there, and then running up sharply. Now it looks like a mini 5-wave advance. So I might be getting near the end of it. I would say 12.5 could be a quick target in the next day or two. We'll see. It may be getting extended. The weekly, the long-term chart shows a massive base and a huge potential for move up further if it should get through here. This could be a $16, $17 stock at some point down the road up there. AMD looks like it's about to explode. You can see that any move across the 29 3/4 range could get this into the mid-30s. And volume is really coming in big on this one. APPS exploded today. 6.3 million shares upgraded by Hallam with a $6 target up there. The stock looks like it's going to get there. My targets right now are 5.25 and 6, maybe 6 3/4 down the road. Beautiful long-term chart. You can see the ramp up since September when it was $1.12, now $4.29. CFMS, one of our swing trades, doing great. Broke out of a coiling type consolidation here and is running now for 5 days in a row. I'm looking for an extension up towards 5 3/4 on this next run up. Volume was big today at 5.7 million. JK Solar, on one of the solar stocks that really started to ramp, today broke out with a pop of $1.73 or 8% on 2 million shares. Looks like this is headed for 29. KL, one of the best gold stocks in the world right now. This stock has gone from, you know, you can see it, January 2017, 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, this stock was trading at 5. Here it is, 37 and change. So more than 7-fold increase, and this stock looks like it's headed for the mid-40s. MDXG is pumping it, breaks out on big volume. It's been ramping. To me, it looks like 685 thereabout as a target. It may make it up to 8.25. OESX with a beautiful intermediate chart from the January lows, trading in 50 cents. The stock's now 5-fold and got up to 2.5. Today's pop of 48 cents, or 24% on almost 3 million shares, is the second biggest volume it's traded in a couple of years. So this looks like it may extend towards 340.50. PRED, I've been liking this stock since it broke out of this wedge back in the 230.40 range. Has now reached 484, and my target now is 6.5 3/4. QURE with a big day today. You can see the pop of 610 or 9.5%. I think the stock has exploded and has broken out above the March double top and may start to see a ramp up that takes us eventually above $100. But for now, let's look for something around 80, 85. Snap popping out of a consolidation zone and across the highs from April looks like to me a stock that's headed for 14 or better. Secondary target 16 3/4. SOLY with an explosive move last week and then a pullback. Today popped back out again. Didn't hold the highs, but it closed up 334, 22%. This may very well retest the high 20s. Trade desk exploded today for 25 points, and after hours was even higher. You can see the all-time high just a month ago at 232.70 might very well get tested short term. The overall chart pattern is extremely bullish, indicating that if this trend continues, this could be near a $300 stock. And finally, WNDW Solar Window, another solar stock that exploded yesterday and again, a big follow through today, reaching 435, finished at 377, up 64 cents or 20%. My targets now are a retest of 4 3/4 and then eventually 6 1/4. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good evening.